WTC final. ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಂದಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಶಾಣ ಮಂದಿಗೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಬನ್ನಿ, ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಜ್ವರ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್, ನನಗೆ ಈ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಡೇ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟು ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ 5th ಡೇಗೆ ಮುಗಿದಿತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ಕತೆ. ಡ್ರಾ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಇಬ್ಬರು ಟ್ರಾಫಿ ಹಂಚ್ಕೋತಿದ್ರು, ಖುಷಿ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಈ 6th ಡೇ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದವ್ರು ಯಾರಂತೆ ಹುಡುಕ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಈಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಅದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ನಮ್ಮವ್ರು ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ನಾವು ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸ ಸೌತ್ ಆಫ್ರಿಕಾದವರಿಗೆ ಚೋಕರ್ಸ್ 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 ಅಂತಿದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಈಗ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಬಿರುದನ್ನು ಇಂಡಿಯಾದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮವರು 2014 ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಒಂದು ICC ಟ್ರಾಫಿ ಯಾವುದು ಗೆದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ WTCನೂ ಸೋತರು. ನಡೆದಿದ್ದ 2.5 ಹಬ್ಬ ಅಂದರೆ 3.5 ದಿವಸ ಮ್ಯಾಚು. ಆ 3 ದಿವಸನಾಗ ನಮ್ಮವರು ಬಿಟ್ಟರು. ಭಾಳದ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ why they are coming to the final stage, like final, semi-final, and they are giving up. What happening to Indian team or our great captain Virat Kohli or our chief mentor Ravi Shastri? They have to think, and seriously they have to think and decide where they are failing, why they are not able to just cross that last final line. There's a serious problem. We need to think.
Yes.
So Rochan will tell you the facts and figures about the ICC trophies so far. Yes, Rochan, go on.
All the ICC tournaments you can see.
2014. Let's decide one by one. 2014.
In the 2014 the T20 World
we lost against Sri Lanka.
Yes, in the final.
And
then the 2015 the ICC World Cup. In the semi-finals we lost against Australia.
Yes.
And then in the 2016 the World T20 World Cup we lost against West Indies in the semi-final.
Correct.
So in the 2017 Champions Trophy we lost against Pakistan in the final of the match. And then in 2019 as the drama happened over there, the rain came and then the reserve day came again.
What is happening?
And then we lost to the New Zealand in the semi-finals. And then
there was a reserve day. It was also against New Zealand.
Yes.
And we lost the game. The World Cup semi-final.
Then
and yesterday night.
The WTC final.
Though that means they are consistently keep on losing the ICC trophies.
From last 8 years.
ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದವ್ರದ್ದು ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿನ ಕತೆ, ಫುಲ್ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಆಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ವರ್ಷ ಪೂರ್ತಿ. ಬೈಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಸಿರೀಸ್ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಗೆದ್ರು, ಇವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಗೆದ್ರು, ಇಂಗ್ಲೆಂಡ್ ಜೊತೆ ಗೆದ್ರು. ರಿಷಬ್ ಪಂತ್ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಆಡಿದ, ಅವರು ಸೂಪರ್. ವಿರಾಟ್ ಕೊಹ್ಲಿ 3 ಸೆಂಚುರಿ, ಡಬಲ್ ಸೆಂಚುರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಷ ಪೂರ್ತಿ. ಏನಾರ ICC ಟ್ರೋಫೀಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಚಲೋ ಆಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಆಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೆಮಿಫೈನಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಫೈನಲ್ನಾಗ ಗೋತಾ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಆನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ sit and management should think why they are losing, what mistake they have made. So there are a lot of people in the ICC or in the BCCI. So they will think and decide what happened. Okay, barring apart, the New Zealand has got a upper hand. They had got some practice test matches against England. They know the condition, and the condition also suits their home condition, like New Zealand, England. Both the weather conditions are same. It was a seaming wicket, everything apart. But India is not like a small country. No, it is not like a Nepal or a Sri Lanka or a Bangladesh or a Afghanistan. India is a great country. They have cricketing mind since so many years, and those reasons will not come into matter I agree for the rain. Rain is it's not in our hand. ICC should have think of before conducting in England. They should have thought of Dubai or some other
Some
neutral
other places,
condition.
yes.
Neutral condition. But okay, that is all not debatable now. India has lost the WTC final. That is what is matter. And where they have lost, let's discuss. Okay, the first day gone,
completely
washout.
gone
Washout.
And the second
Second
day,
day,
we
there
got
was-
some play
Just
to the game.
go and come,
Yes, that's it.
then
And
cloudy, bad weather, go
bad weather.
again rain, again come back.
Then the bad
Then
night again.
it was not almost some let's say half day.
Okay, half.
Okay, half day of played. Again third day,
Third day, we played-
have
we played is-
full day, almost full day.
Now,
But
let's
at the
consider
end,
it's at a one day. Okay.
okay, at the end of the session, we
We
closed it
got
early because of a bad weather. Third day we have played. Again fourth day,
Completely
complete
gone.
washout.
Complete washout.
Fifth day was a
We
bright
got
sunny day.
We got some
sunny day.
good
and,
game
and
there.
again sixth day as it was
On
reserved.
2 days. So
Okay. Completely-
max to max only 3 days we
3
have
days.
played.
3 days. In 3 days also India lost the match. Come on, see. Okay, so the first when the first day was washed out due to rain, okay, they had got one more chance to alter the team. They have although they have announced the playing 11 the previous night
But
only.
ICC had given a chance to
There was a provision to change the team because it was washed out in the first day. So that time they would have decided
For
to
the
drop Ajay Jadeja,
Ravindra Jadeja.
Ravindra Jadeja, sorry, and they would have bring back Shiraj. Shiraj was
fourth pace.
four spacers. Like what New Zealand did. New Zealand had only 4 pacers.
They didn't have any spinners,
Among 4 pacers mostly they have washed out India. And Shiraj was a good pick because he is a swing bowler. Okay, the swing bowler.
Just he put the pace and
India
take
has
it.
only now playing 2 swing bowlers. One is Bhuvneshwar Kumar and another is a Mohammad Shiraj. The other 3 bowlers what India had like Shami and Bumrah and Ishan Sharma, all 3 are the seam bowlers. Okay, so the seam is go like this, seam bowlers. So they play on the seaming ball. But whereas the swing is concerned, they are little swing bowler. So that they would have understood and dropping one spinner and bring back Shiraj, what they have made mistake. So that they should agree. Okay, if we say that done. Okay, because it is an England pitch and it was a rainy, the clouds always there was no chances of rain. In that they never know why 2 spinners have played. Maybe the reason Virat Kohli has got is they can also bat. Okay, that might be the reason, but that doesn't matter. Okay, so then none of the Indian players have crossed 50.
Correct.
Okay.
The highest is 49
Okay.
of Rahane, first innings.
Okay. Then the New Zealand team is not a very great team. They don't have a very
We have
outstanding.
only 2 star players like
Correct.
Williamson or
Outstanding
Australia.
players.
That's it.
Okay.
But
Rest all are relatively new players only, and not very famous players like Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, Cheteshwar Pujar, Rahane. Not like an Indian team. Ishan Sharma, Bumrah, the world class bowler. No any star players except Williamson and Ross Taylor.
and
Rest
some
all.
ballers like Bolt. That's it.
Yeah, Bolt and so they're not that great because they are and it is a very small country. New Zealand is a very small country, like maybe the population is like around Karnataka or maybe around 2 states together is the population of New Zealand.
Yes.
So it's a small country. See the strength what they have. The cool captain, how in the second innings, how
Calm and
Williamson
composed.
calm and composed, how he played, how took the match away from Indians. These are all learning lessons. Okay, and
Then the main point is they play as a team.
they play as a team. Correct. They play as a team, and they understood the situation.
And if you noticed, they have all each and every player has contributed to the team.
100%. And I don't know what happened to our Bumrah. He's not even taken a single wicket.
Never.
Okay, he was not bowling at the length. Okay, he was not bowling at the areas where he should bowl. Okay, maybe he is a very star player in India, but he has to prove in other countries.
No,
England
actually,
countries.
in the last series against England,
Okay.
he debuted. It was his debut match in India.
Oh, correct.
Since his debut, he has not played any match in India as a test match.
Who? Bumrah.
Bumrah.
Okay.
That was the first test he played in. India.
Correct. But
He should have had an experience of playing overseas.
But Roshan, everything said and done, but he should perform when it is matters. Correct. Now, when finals, when it matters, he should perform. If he would have taken 2-3 wickets in the first innings or in the second innings, things would have been different.
Yes, correct.
And not even a single wicket. And Jadeja's, though he has done some batting in the second innings, but his
no
presence
use
is
at
also
all.
not that much useful.
Correct.
So seeing all this, India should learn from these mistakes and
And
come
come
out.
up with,
Okay,
good
so they may play well against England in coming series and maybe against Sri Lanka, the other team and all. But the main tournaments like ICC tournaments, India have won all the formats except WTC final, WTC tournament. Others they have won World
This
Cup,
was the
T20.
maiden WTC.
This is a maiden, and if they have won this also, then all formats would won by India. And salute to New Zealand team. They played a tremendous cricket on all formats, and big salute to Kane Williamson. We should learn from him.
Really great.
Okay, so that's all from today's entire analysis of the
Of the whole test,
WTC final. Again, we'll come back to some more stuff. Signing off from now. Hi, I'm
Please like,
Ravindra.
please like, share, and subscribe.
Please like,
to
share, and
channel
subscribe.
Cricket Jwara. Thank you.
And ಹಾಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್
ಜ್ವರ.